Hello, scientists. It's Miss Brown. What are the parts of the night sky? Tonight, look up at the sky. What did you see? Make some observations. The atmosphere is made up of layers of air and gas around the Earth. The stars are large balls of hot, bright matter out in space that give off heat and light. Constellations are a group of stars that form a recognizable pattern like Leo, Virgo, or Orion. The moon is a natural satellite that orbits the Earth. The planets are large rocks or gas bodies that have their own gravity and are orbiting a star. It's that time of year. The virtual science fair is coming up. Think about your question first. What are you interested in? What are you curious about? What do you want to learn more about? Students will need to submit a project title, category, an abstract that talks about what you're doing for the project and your project work, like a Google slide or a video to show your work. Our theme will be Let's Go Outside and Do Science. Choose one of these categories: Earth Science, Physical Science, Life Science, Engineering and Technology, or Science Application. You will need to sign up on the ZFair's website by March 24th and submit your title. Students will have the opportunity to talk with scientists May 3rd through 7th during the actual science fair. Projects must be finalized and submitted by April 28th. How exciting! Talk to a scientist about your science fair project. Each week I'll share more information. We'll talk about the tools and your questions. There's lots more information coming. Start brainstorming your ideas. Keep making your Kahoots. Pause this screen so you can see how to share with me.
I was first inspired to go into engineering when I was in the 8th grade, and I didn't know what engineering even was at the moment. I knew I was good at math, I was good at science, and so my science teacher in the 8th grade, Mrs. Powell, pulled me to the side and said, "You really should consider going to this summer engineering camp." And it happened to be a summer engineering camp at Mississippi State University, which is my undergrad, and was for girls. I remember going to camp and learning about all the different types of engineering, from chemical engineering to civil, but it was computer engineering in particular that I was interested in because we worked with both hardware and software. We used the software to control the hardware, and I think that is something that really grasped my interest, knowing that just by a few lines of code, you can do so much to program something.
Thank you for joining me.